Okay. Hello, students. This is Digvijay Singh, and today we are going to, discuss the college board test one. And today we'll discuss about the no calculator section, that is section three, where you are not allowed to use the calculator. Okay. So let me tell you about myself. I'm Digvijay Singh, guys, and I'm SAT Plus educator on the Unacademy platform. I had the 10 year of SAT experience in SAT, ACT, uh, like GRE, GMAT, and AP calculus as well. Also, I have plus certified educator on this Unacademy platform. I am US certified for all these American, tests like SAT, ACT, and AP calculus, GRE, GMAT, right? So you guys can join us on the Telegram. So there's a link of the Telegram. You can just click there and you will be able to join, right? And you'll get the, updates regarding the new batches, regarding the new courses there, right? Also, you can get the updates if there is any changes from the, uh, uh, college board side. So definitely we will also update you regarding that as well. So, right. So you can, join us there. These are the Unacademy, if you take the plus subscription, so these are the features there, right? So you can learn from the comfort of your home, right? And then you have the unlimited access of all the courses. Then you have the top educator of India on one platform. Then you have the regular doubt clearing and the answer writing session, and then you have the mentorship guidance, and then you have the study material, that will be in the PDF format, and then practice test, right? Then you'll have the live test series, then you have the batch courses. Also, you have the daily practice action, and then weekly mock test series, live quizzes, daily MCQ, and subjective test series, right? So this much you'll get, where if you subscribe on Unacademy Plus courses, right? So let me, start with the content. So today, as I told you, we'll, start solving the no calculator one, the and uh, college board test one. So this is a 25-minute section actually, right? This is 25-minute section. So we'll try to cover the entire thing in just 25 minutes, right? So it is timed, you can say. So you can just put your, your watches on a timer of 25 minutes. Okay. So let's start with the question number one. We are given x minus 1 by 3 is equal to k, and k is equal to 3. Then what is the value of x there? Okay. So k is equal to 3. You can just substitute k is equal to 3 there. So x minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3. That means x minus 1 is equal to 9. That means x is going to be 10. We got D, right? Question number two, what is the sum of this and this? So these are the two, complex number there. So 7 minus, or if you can open it, first of all, you can open it just negative 8 plus 9i. So this is going to be negative 1 and plus 12i. So A is the answer. Right, guys? If you have any doubt, you can just, ask me the doubt and anything else you have. So question number three, on Sunday afternoon, Armand sent M text messages each hour for 5 hours, and Troy sent P messages each hour for 4 hours. Which of the following represent the total number? Okay, so M text messaging each hour for 4 hours. So Armand total, sent 5M, and the T total, sent 4P, correct? So now the question is asking what is the total number of messages sent. So that will be what? 5M plus 4P, right? Is there any doubt, guys? So C is the answer. Okay, question number four. Kathy is a repair technician for a phone company. Each week she received a batch of the phone that needs repair. The number of phone that she left to fix at the end of each day can be estimated with the equation P is equal to 108 minus 23 D. Okay. And P is the number of phone left, and D is the number of days C has worked that week. What is the meaning of the? Okay, so D is the number of days left in the week. P is the number of phones left, right? Correct. So the question is asking what is 108. So 108, if you see this as a equation, right? So equation like the straight line equation, or you can say the linear equation. So mx plus c. So c, this is c is the constant, that is 108. So c is what, where you are going to start, from where you are going to start. So right, so that means b should be the answer. So Kathy start each week with 108 phones to fix. Right, guys? Understood? Okay, cool. So now, okay, let's move to the next question. What is it saying? If you have any doubt, guys, you can just ask me quickly. Okay, so question number five. This is just like, simple question. You need to solve this. There we are the two. You can say the polynomial there, and we need to, simplify those expressions, right? So that means you just need to x square y plus minus 3y square plus xy square, and this is going to be minus minus, that is positive x square y. This is negative 3xy square, and this is positive 3y square, right? Then what can you do? You can just add the like terms there. So x square, and do you have any other x square? Yes. So that is going to be 2x square y, right? Negative 3y square will be cancelled out with the positive 3y square for sure. And what about 5x xy square negative 3x square? That is going to be positive 2xy square, right? So we got this when you simplified this. And so what is this equivalent to? So this is equivalent to C. So C is the answer. Okay, question number six, guys. Pedia is used the model above to estimate the height h of a boy in inches in terms of the boy A between ages of 2 and 5. Based on the model, what is the estimate increase of the each year? Okay, look, guys, this question you can solve by two methods. The one method is quickly, if you understand, because this is what, if you compare with the again the equation, the linear equation. So this is going to be mx plus c, and m is what? M is the change, right? You can say change, in this case change every year. So when you see this, what is m here, what is the slope here? So slope here is 3, right, guys? So definitely slope is 3. That means 3 is going to be changed with the height every year. So m is equal to 3 there, right? Good evening, guys. If you have any doubt, you can just type the message there. Or there is one more method you can solve it with. What you can do, guys, you can take, okay, so it is between 2 and 5, so you can take, okay, so at the age of 3, what is the height? So that is going to be 9 plus 28.6. Okay, so that is going to be, what will be that, 37.6. And then you check as the age of 4, what is the height? Each 4 is what? This is 12 plus 28.6. So this is going to be what? 40.6. Now you check in this 1 year what is going to be changed, like how much the height will be changed. So this is going to be changed as 3. So there are two ways. The first one is a direct way. You can compare with the linear equation, and another is you just plug in there the h is equal to 3, sorry, a is equal to 3 and a is equal to 4. All right. Question number 7 will solve on the next page as well, because there we have the lesser space there. So question number 7, what is given to us? M is equal to R. Oh, this looks like a weird question, right, guys? Okay, but nothing to worry about this question. This is a very simple question, right? You just need to understand what is the question asking there. So first of all, you need to check which of the following P. Okay, so that means you need to find P, right? If you need to find P, so definitely what will be in the multiplication? So this is the multiplication, right? So this is the fraction of the multiplication, right? This is the fraction. The entire fraction is in the multiplication of the P. So that means other side, if if you multiply this equation, so that will be the reciprocal, right? So m 1 plus r 1200 to the power n minus 1 divided by r 1200, 1 plus r 1200 to the power n. Is there any doubt, guys? Okay, do we have this anywhere? I think B, right? I think B, guys, right? So B is the answer. Okay. Now, question number 8, what we are given, A by B is equal to 2. What do we need to find? 4B by A. Okay. So a by b is equal to 2 by 1. So actually in the, if you see the question there, what do we need to find? 4b by a, correct? So that means you need to find b by a, right? So b by a will be what? B by a will be 1 by 2, correct? And then you multiply by 4 because we know we need 4b by a, right? So you multiply by 4. So 4b by a is equal to 4 by 2. That is going to be 2. Is there any doubt, guys? You can ask me anytime if you have. Okay, question number 9. We have given 3x plus 4y is equal to negative 23. So this is the system of equation. So you know how to solve this type of equation there, right, guys? So okay. So what you, first of all, you can arrange the second equation there. So what you get? 3x plus 4y is equal to negative 23, and minus x plus 2y is equal to negative 19, correct? And then what you need to solve, you need to either you can solve for x or y. So that means you can eliminate the x from here to solve for y. So what you can do, you can multiply by 3 in the entire equation. So you get negative 3x plus 6y is equal to negative 57, correct? If you add this, cancel by this is going to be 10y is equal to 0, and this is going to be 8, right? So negative 80. So y is going to be negative 8 for sure. Okay, so look at the answer choices with the y is equal to negative 8 only, because there can be only the unique answer choices that have the y is equal to negative 8. Yes, we got the b is equal to 3 and negative 8. So that, so what we understand here, so there is sometimes there is no need to find the other value as well. You just check if you get the value of y, if you get the value of x. So you need to check if that is sufficient to give the to check the answer and give the solution. Now question number 10 is what is this gx is equal to this. So g4 is given as 8. What is the value of g negative 4, right, guys? So gx is ax square plus 24, right, guys? First of all, g4, because if you need to find g negative 4, definitely we need to find the value of a. So g4, if you plug in there, and that is equal to 8, so you can find the value of a there. So that is going to be 16a plus 24, and that is equal to 8. That means 16a is equal to negative 16. That means a is equal to negative 1, correct? Then what will be the value of g of negative 4? So g of negative 4 is a, and negative 4 is square plus 24. That is going to be 16a plus 24, and a is negative 1. So that means again, if you plug in a is equal to negative 1 there, guys, so that is going to be positive 8 only. You can think like this, because okay, let me tell you a very shortcut of this question, right? So what you can do, because g, whatever you plug in there for x, right, so that is going to be positive, right? If you plug in x is equal to 4, that gives the value of the a. If you plug in the x is equal to negative 4 as well, right, that will give you the same value. Understand? Because that is not going to be positive or negative, right? That remains the sign wise, that remains the same, right? If you plug in 4 or negative 4, and if that is same, the x square is x square, if the sign is same, right? So definitely the entire thing ax square plus 24 is going to be 8, right? Then you don't need to be understand, I mean, you need to be worried about that. Yeah, in which question you are saying that we need to use the quadratic formula? Okay, let me move to the question number 11 there. So this is b is equal to 2.35, and this is given to us actually. No need to write down quickly. Okay, in the question equation above, b and c represent the price per pound in dollar of beef and chicken respectively. X weeks after July 1 during last summer. What is the price per pound of beef when it is equal to the price of the per pound of chicken, right? So that means 2.35 is equal to, what is it saying? The price of beef is equal to the price of chicken. So you keep them equal, the both of the price of 1.75, and just you need to find the value of x there, right? So what will be this, guys? 2.35 minus 1.75, and this is going to be 0.4x minus 0.25, guys. What will be this when you solve it? So when you solve it, so this is going to be 6, sorry, 0 and 13 minus, this is going to be 6, the 0.6 and is equal to 0.15. That means x is going to be 4. Okay. And if you plug in x is equal to 4 there, so what is the value, what is the value of b there? That is 2.35 plus 0.25 multiplied by 4. That is 2.35 plus 1, that is equal to 3.35. That's the answer. Okay, question number 12. A line in the xy plane passes through the origin and has the slope of 1 by 7, which is the following lies on the. Okay, so you can quickly, if the line passes through the origin, definitely the equation is only y is equal to mx. And if the slope is 1 by 7, so y is equal to 1 by 7 of x, right? So you can check which point lies. So if you plug in x is equal to 0, that gives the y is equal to 0. If you plug in x is equal to 1 there, that gives the y is equal to 1 by 7. If you give the x is equal to 7, that gives the y is equal to 1, so it's not the solution. If you guess the y x is equal to 14, yes, so D is the answer. Right, guys? If you have any doubt, you can just let me know. Okay, which of the following is equivalent to this, guys? So this type of question we have, discussed in our batch also. So this is the question there, right? So what you can do there, you can, first of all, you can make the denominator of same of the fractions in the denominator. So if you make the denominator same, so that will be x plus 3 divided by x plus 2 times x plus 3, right? Plus x plus 2 divided by x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 2, guys, right? And if the denominator is same, so you can just add the numerator there, so that is going to be x plus 3 plus x plus 2, and this is going to be x plus 3 and x plus 2, right? So ultimately this is what 2x plus 5, and that will be in the numerator, right? So when you switch it, so this is going to be x square when you multiply this plus 5x plus 6, and divided by this is going to be 2x plus 5. So we have this, yeah, this is B. Okay, question number 14. This is a exponent question, and as we had discussed in our, the batch course, also the crash course, also this type of question as it is frequently. So what we have given 3x minus y is equal to 12, and we need to find the value of 8 to the power x divided by 2 to the power y, right? So as we had discussed it, so always try to make the same base. So if you make the same base, this is 8 to the power x, so 8 to the power x, you can write down 2 to the power, 3, and that is going to be 2 to the power 3x divided by 2 to the power y, right? And now this is 2 to the power, because again bases are same, so you can do 3 to the power 2 to the power 3x minus y, right? Because the power will be subtracted now. And we have given this value as well, 3x minus y, that is 12, so you can just substitute it there. So this is actually 2 to the power. But most of the students, they give the obvious answer, okay, that they think, okay, this is not the answer, you know uh, it's not easy to find out, or it's not possible to find out 8 to the power x divided by 2 to the power y. So they generally give the answer D, the two obvious answer, and they but this is not correct, right? So you need to check, okay, can you change into the same base? And if you can change into the same base, then you can simplify it, and then you can substitute something that is already given to us, right? Okay, this question is a very good question actually. If ax plus 2 multiplied by bx plus 17, sorry, bx plus 7. Can we change this quickly? Okay, bx plus 7, and that is equal to 15x square plus cx plus 14. right? So here, what do you need to find? First of all, we are given a plus b is equal to 8. Then you need to find the value of c. Okay, so for that you just multiply here. So what you get, abx square plus 7ax plus 2bx plus 14 is equal to 15x square plus cx plus 14. So this is a typical question of the comparing the both side and the uh, like x square. So what is the coefficient there? AB. Here x square, what is the coefficient there? 15. So you just compare it. So AB is equal to 15. Now what is the coefficient of x here? That is 7a plus 2b. Correct, guys? So, and what is the coefficient of x there? That is 14. So, uh, 7a plus 2b is going to be, c. Correct? What do we need to find? We need to find the value of c there. Okay, cool. So, ab and what we are given, have we given anything? Okay. So A multiplied by B is equal to 15. So what you can take for A and B there? So suppose I take A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 5, guys. So according to that, right, what can be the value of C there? So 7 times 3 plus 2 times 5. That gives the 21 plus 10, that is equal to 31. But if you see the C is equal to 31, that is only one answer, that is D. So you can just check, okay, answer D is 31 is the answer, right? But you can check the other vice versa also. If you take B is equal to 5 and A is equal to 3, then what will be this? 7 times 5 plus 2 times 3, right guys? So that is going to be 35 plus 6, and this is going to be 41. So yeah, so ultimately we find the both 31 and 41, and that's the answer. If you have doubt, guys, you can just let me know. I'll definitely clear that. Okay, now this is these are the grading question actually. So like from question number 16 to 20, these five questions are grading question where you need to find the exact answer. You need to fill into these, boxes. Okay. So here, what do you know? There also, yeah, this is the given us to us. T is greater than 4, but grading answers should be positive only. Should be positive. So gradient answer cannot be negative. Okay. So here, if you x square minus 4 is equal to 0, so very easy, right? So x minus 2 and t minus 2 and t plus 2 is equal to 0. So definitely t is equal to negative 2 and positive 2, but definitely we need to find t that is greater than 0, and that will take the positive 2. So you write down the 2 here and just bubble it 2. Okay, now this is a very good question. Question number 17. Can you try this, guys? Question number 17. Okay, let me tell. So if you see this, what is given to a summer camp counselor wants to find a length x in feet across a lake as represented in the sketch above. The lengths represented by AB, EB, BD, and CD on the sketch are determined by to be 1800 feet, 1400 feet, 700 feet, and 800 feet respectively. Segments AC and D intersect at B, and angle AEB and angle CDB have the same measure. What is the value of x, guys? Okay, you need to find x. So when you see there are two, the triangle AEB, and you can say the triangle, I would say C, B, and D. Correct. or you can say CDB. But definitely, if you see there, these two, this angle is equal to this angle, right? This is equal to this angle. So these are the two similar, triangle. But you need to check, okay, if there are two similar triangles, so what you can do, because they're the corresponding sides will be what, proportional there. Okay, so here you need to check angle A is as same as the angle C, right? So let me write down clearly here which one is, similar. So A, and then angle E B. Okay, so they are similar as angle, C, and angle E is D, and the B is the, this is the B, right? Correct. So their corresponding sides will be the same. So first of all, you can, label there what we are given. So what is there? AB is equal to 1800. Okay. And then what is this? EB is equal to 1400. Right, guys? And then BD is equal to 700. And then CD is equal to 800, guys. Okay, but what we need to find AE. So that definitely, the opposite of B, the side is AE. So AE divided by DC is equal to, guys, what? What two sides very well? What two sides very well, guys? Do you know opposite of D? You don't know. The opposite of C, that is, okay. So what you can do, you can write it down as EB, right? EB divided by BD. Correct? Is there any doubt, guys? So AE you need to find. DC is equal to 800. EB is what? 1400 divided by 700. Correct, guys? So AE is equal to, this become 2, and divided by this is 800. So AE is equal to 1600, guys. And that is equal to X. Is there any doubt, guys? You can just ask me quickly if there is anything. Okay, then question number 18, what do we need to find? You need to find the value of X there. Okay, so there are two way to solve this. Either you can just multiply by 2 in the, the equation 1, or you can just directly, subtract here, whatever. What you exactly you need to find the value Y, so better you substitute the value Y from here. So that is negative 9 negative X. So X plus 2 times negative 9 negative X is equal to negative 25. So X negative 18 negative 2X is equal to negative 25. So this is going to be, guys, negative X is equal to negative 25 positive 18, right? So negative X is equal to negative 7. So X is equal to 7, right? Okay, in this case, the another one, this one we have given sin X is equal to 4 by 5. What do you need to find? Cosine 90 minus. Okay, so in, pre-calculus, or you have, in ninth and 10th grade, in, trigonometry, we have studied this. So cosine 90 minus theta is what? Sine theta. That is equal to sin X, correct? And sin X we already know, that is 4 by 5. So answer is 4 by 5, guys. Okay, question number 20, and this is the last question. So what is given to us? A is equal to 5 root 3, 5 root 2, and 2a is equal to under root of 2x. So what do you need to find? You need to find the value of x, guys. So you can just substitute the value of a here. That is 2 times 5 times root 2, and that is equal to under root of 2x, correct? And this is going to be 10 root 2 is equal to under root of 2x. So now you can, uh, square both sides. So what will be that? 100 times 2 is equal to 2x. 2 cancel by 2. So x is going to be 100. Is there any doubt, guys? In any of the question, I can quickly, So if you have the 100 answer, you can just, one there. Anyone have a doubt in any of the question, guys? Please let me know. I can clear you. I can clear any doubt right now. I'm just going one by one, so you can write it down there if you have any doubt in any of the question. This page, then we have one, two, three, four. Then we have five, six on this, the solution on this page. Then we have question number solution on this page. Then we have question number 8 solution this page, 9 as well, 10 as well. Then we have question number 11 there. Then we have question number 12. Then we have question number 13. And then 14, 15. This is question number 16. This is question number 17. This is question number 18, 19, and this is question number 20, right? So today we have completed this no calculator one part. You don't need to use the calculator in this. In the next class, in the next live class, we'll do the calculator one as well, when you are allowed to use the calculator. So that will be a little lengthy class, because there will be total 38 question and 55 minutes. We need to solve all those questions, right, guys? So okay, so you can take the if you are taking the 6 month of IELTS SAT sorry SAT subscription of the 6 months, so definitely you can get the free IELTS subscription with that. And this offer ends till 31st of March, and this is valid for the 100 subscription only. Also, you can get the 6 month SEC subscription just in 7,200 rupees. That is almost 60% discount. That is a huge discount. And in that you'll get the structured courses, you'll get the 20 full length mock test, you'll get the 300 hours of recorded content, and then you'll have the live doubt solving classes. And then you have the Unacademy free special class features, right? So if there is a free special class on Unacademy, so what you can do there, guys, you can interact with your educator the real time, okay, with chats and emojis. You can ask question using the question tab. You can live poll option for the your quiz, okay. So you, if the teacher give you the poll there, so you can give the answer at that time, right? And then poll leaderboard. So actually you can compete with your friends. If you are like 2, 3, 4, 5 friends, and there's a class of like 100 students, so 20, 30, whatever, so you can check what is your rank in the entire class, and you can compete with your friend as well. So there's a bugs bounty. You have the opportunity for all the learner to report any inappropriate content in the video, and be the first one to report any particular issue, to claim your prize. Report any inappropriate content using the uh, form in the description. Okay, so there's a form in the description, so you can definitely report if there is, you feel there is an inappropriate content in the. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. You please don't forget to subscribe us. You can also click that ring button, so that you can bell button, that every time we have the new videos, so you will be able to quickly get the notification of that. And please subscribe. Please like and share us as much as possible. Okay, guys. Thank you.